In this tutorial, we'll explore the process of renaming both local and remote Git branches. To rename a local Git branch, start by checking out the branch you intend to rename using git checkout followed by the name of the branch. List the branches using the git branch command. Currently, we are on the feature1 branch. Examine the commits on this branch. There are 4 in total. Rename the branch by executing git branch-m new branch name, where the -m option stands for move. Upon listing branches, observe that the local branch has been successfully renamed from feature1 to feature2, with all associated commits present on the new branch. If you wish to rename a remote branch, you'll need to push the new branch name and delete the old one. Use git push-u origin new branch to push the new branch to the remote repository. To interact with GitHub, provide your credentials, your GitHub account username and personal access token. Verify the presence of the new branch in the Git repository. Choose the new branch from the drop-down menu, and confirm that the commits are visible on the new branch. If successful, proceed to delete the old branch on the remote repository with git push-u origin -- delete old branch. Once again, utilize your GitHub account username and personal access token as credentials for pushing code to GitHub. In the GitHub UI, note that the feature1 branch has been successfully deleted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.